Welcome to another Pit Stop Pit Tip. Today we're going to answer how to keep rodents from getting inside of your vehicle. Coming up. If you've ever seen rodent droppings inside your car, not only is this gross, but this can also be harmful. The best action for this is to spray it with a disinfectant to make sure to neutralize anything in those droppings. If you're not comfortable cleaning up the mess, take it to a hazardous mitigation company that can clean up that mess for you, because these droppings can contain harmful viruses. Now, the best course of action is having a good defense to keep them out. Now, dryer sheets are a really good deterrent to keeping mice out of your vehicle, mainly because of the odor they put out. Plus, they also make your car smell great. But also, air fresheners will still do that same job. The only difference is you need to make sure that they're in multiple places so that the aroma that they're putting off is deterring a rodent from coming inside your vehicle in the first place. This also includes the engine compartment, typically as close to the vents for the fresh air of your vehicle as possible. Now, if your vehicle sits for any length of time, this is especially important, mainly because a vehicle that sits doesn't move around that much, and a rodent will see that as their new home. Rodents will also chew electrical wires and components of your vehicle, which can cause major issues down the road that are very, very hard to find because of a simple break in a wire. Now, using dryer sheets or using air freshener is a great way to keep rodents out of your vehicle, but they also make natural pellets that are a natural deterrent to keeping rodents out of your vehicle. I'll leave a link to those products below. So remember to keep your vehicle clean, keep food out of your vehicle, that way you're not attracting rodents, and use these tips so you're not faced with expensive mitigation later. If you're in our area, stop by, ask us questions if you have any. Like this video if it brought you some value, subscribe below so you don't miss any of our new videos, follow us on Facebook or our website, pitstopcarcare.com.